Money in a hand before cock for your whole.
Like she know what I mean. Oh, Claire, you see corruption, E.G.
Yeah, me I told her.
E.G. have a bunch of that. I thought the podcast starts, man. I don't start the podcast.
I'm there against the fire.
I didn't fucking E.G.
I watch the demons, them and lift up out time ground, you know?
I'm literally playing with the fire, you know? Like from right there, I strike the life out like my car.
Yeah, I never realized the dog has me though.
Yeah, we in a wilderness, you know, wildlife.
Yeah man, wilderness today, you know,
Them are suck out the blood.
They are donate some blood to mosquito, them, you see me?
Is it the blood donation here, them say?
No, that's a code.
You have to donate whole heap of blood.
No man have to donate.
Dunce. Dunce.
Dance. I think I forgot it.
Up about this.
My mom's working with me.
So the main topic today is for fathers. Feel like fathers them this coming this Sunday and all who are gelding. You see me? So TalkYuhTalk have something to say about that. Why you such a chick like?
Why? I don't really have a father figure still enough, so I don't really have not much good to say about my father on that topic kind of, but it is what it is.
And me I say, yo, big up a real father, them I do it, you see me? And big up the girl in them, we are my enough man youth. Straight as a sheller.
Still I do it.
Man, big up all my father too, you don't know one Joe dog NFD, big up yourself, you hear that?
Believe.
Yeah man.
So I wanna say it's good to have a father role in a child's life.
Yeah,
Then
man.
the most
First, and the father show the youth the right thing.
right, and
You see me?
you know, teach him and I say, yo, what I'm
Very
doing.
important to have a father in a youth life.
But now I say a woman can grow a son neither to, you know, 'cause a woman can grow a son to a man know
But
him
the
to be,
old
you know.
woman are going to grow
You see
them
me?
in them now go rough like how your father
Nah,
grow them.
man. Nah, man. Some woman a grow them son rough to, man.
Yes, sir.
Like a pilgrim father.
You want to know my auntie? You want to know who my auntie
Man like
is?
me and my mother, me grew up with, you know. And you saw me rough. Yeah, man, crocodile skin father, man. You see me? In a real life. And my mother beat me and I'm a father.
So the thing about the man them we get youth and not take up their responsibility and run really for all the youth. Them wanna think
Boy,
life in a
and a
prison.
father that
boat,
I
man.
beat that brother.
Life
Them now walk with the court so them forget bored, you see me?
Yeah man, life in
In
a
real
prison
life.
boy like them, they forget man, you breed woman and bring life on this certain holy
I don't
boy.
want to take care of it. I don't want to take care of it. You're waste, man.
They don't take care of you,
But only
man.
son, none of them get took. And I him a carry
None of
the
them
last
father
one.
have stepfather play father role for feed them role, you know. You
Yeah
see
man,
me?
and that's why enough of you.
No for
them change
stepfather
them
them get
name.
more serious things.
Yeah,
man.
and that's why enough
I
of
tell them,
you them change them name when them reach certain age. Cause I guess so that the smarter them know. That the smarter they take care of them all of them life. So what? Better them in that smarter than name. Them with a better
Real
life,
man.
brother. Them out
For them now play them role these last days, brother. When you look, be a single mother out, you have to wonder if a woman and breed themselves.
enough of youths them need guidance same way, you know. If them now have a man figure in their life, them have to go loose.
Because you cannot get...
them still in a
Them even need guidance, my dog, 'cause hands are gonna bite them up, you know. Them need
Well,
high protection.
You have your youth now and you name your youth Rai and you look at upon him name. You have to need a father figure that man have to rough him up and teach him the way, brother. You bring Rai come and you look at Pam and see.
Who the fuck is Pam? Where Pam come from?
Shaky.
Shake out.
Believe me, man.
Yeah, man.
God forbid still.
Yeah, for big up a father, them will do the right things, you see me? And play a father figure in them youth life, you see me? In a real life.
But for them money,
But the man them, the worthless father them, where them they call them the sperms donor. Yeah man, turn off man.
They say them not ready.
Them not ready,
ready,
none at
man.
all.
No time at all.
No time.
All of them get help the woman doing that the youth, they never heard shit.
Run the left woman, she have to take care of that pitney all your life. No?
Chalala.
Style like that.
If you take care of your youth.
One condom could have prevent all of them run away or run away, you know.
Investment, that's in my
That's
dad.
a must.
Okay.
Then again, a youth to make it know say yo, you can bring life. You know?
Yeah, man.
When I get a youth, you know if I can bring my life forward from this already.
True.
Yeah, man.
If a girl like that, she a youth.
What about woman name we give woman the man name jacket to that?
Yeah.
And that you have to look for the father.
Yeah, one to them females they will give man jacket.
All
Alright.
the sun hot and she give the man jacket.
As a man, how you would deal with a jacket right now?
Depends on how
me.
attached they are to the child.
Yeah,
Depends on
How attached they are to the child.
Yeah, true, man. It depends
Yeah,
on
can you
attached.
get attached to your child,
And
son?
you think a year opinion, you feel born opinion like
Yeah.
a daddy and all them.
And when
you
you
think
find out
you
that
see me?
you mash up all the
Mash up your
effects.
brain because you spend so much money on the youth, brother.
Only
So,
for investment for
after
them, man.
5 years, say you have 2 youth with this female, say the relationship was 10 years. 5 years, we not had kids. But later down, you find out say the 2 kids are not yours.
No, man, we are some man.
Murderer.
First thing,
Blood is on my shoulder.
that's why you have
Kill I today, you cannot kill I tomorrow.
court, I have a judge. Bring her to the court.
One magnum bucket inside, man.
No man, that's still not gonna make you get a jacket them same, you know that.
No, but
That's
That's
cool.
still.
that's part of my blood clot problem with
I
that
don't think my explanation right for this, but that's
Yeah, a
cool.
magnum bucket
But I
now
think
go
that-
change the fact that she done here 2 jacket over how
And
much years
the ignorance
already.
you good have, man.
Is it-
But what you would
I mean,
do?
Take her to the court, file a
You
lawsuit.
know, like there are stories of like men who find out when them a file fee.
I know say still it depends, still see me again, car.
And them get heart attack.
Yeah, and you could have grow so good and you could have grow come favor you.
Favor the man
Yeah.
to bomba
And,
class.
Believe them,
But
man.
that's the worst thing a man can't go through them thing. That I go slump on a man brain every day. Every day.
I just see magnum back across the head side alone could have come to man. No, that car.
He rough man, rough
That's why
dog.
I'm seeing enough of them
God
man are coming.
forbid.
God forbid.
You know, that's why enough of them man are coming crime, brother. And any woman
That's
come
why
up with
they
a
have
picnic.
a true brother.
I mean, enough of them mother you have a saying more while now, one day if a wrong people them take up from hospital.
Where you
I
say
dirty
nothing.
style that in a charge, you tell them.
Some of them mother ya walk close to you, no, me not tell you like that dog. Some of them mother ya come like some deadly father to father.
What are they telling you?
Them thing the corrupt brain, man.
Believe them, man.
Like a youth sit down and have a medify a real blood clot mother and father too. Fuck. I wonder
Fuck up
if
your
a thief
brains.
with a thief in front of the rightful family and come in and have a broke fuck when the dog would have reached.
Yo, you ever made that yet? You ever really made that yet? Have you wonder
I
if
show me favor my mother and father.
But not right family still, so.
Yeah man,
Yeah,
right
man.
family.
If you look for me, I see my
Me no know
father.
who
If you
gets
look for my
swapped in
father,
that.
I see me, you know. But
God forbid.
what
who
piss
gets
me
some.
off with the most, me come look like the man and the man do nothing for me, you know, so it just get me cross more while,
God forbid.
God forbid.
So what age do you think a man supposed to have him kids then?
I can't say kids them, you know.
7 years old. You can't put an age on it. Once
Because
you
if
have
you don't have
life
money-
check, then you do what you do.
But you know say, big man things say that we there so broke like that. As I get a youth, you see yourself a change.
Believe.
You start better.
Well, who's a young now, the same look as the would I say. But you have to have your thing in your pocket if you know so as your son born or your daughter born. She have her clothes, them pampers, feed and everything.
That is a
set.
must.
You see me?
Man, you in
Yeah.
a belly, you gotta start a array, man.
Yeah, man, because you got to take up responsibility for yourself from this. You know. And when time you born now, you don't want to take care of you no more.
You mad? You have to take care of my youth till he can take
You
care
have to
of
get take
himself.
care right through, man.
Till he can take care of himself.
I mean, you can take care of himself, me still a take care.
Believe as a father.
Believe me, man.
You see me?
Father
Cause
rule never done.
Yeah, man.
father role can never done and that's a must.
Parents role overall can never done.
Yeah, man.
You see me?
You see me?
Worse when it's all your daughter got married, like emotional time that fear to
So when you turn 40, 50, no matter what age you be.
You still a parent your child, man.
You still all give them all them allowance a week time and them thing the same way.
Be a skittle.
SK one slap the mosquito upon him. Fuck. Say SK your ass up.
Hey, dog, say again.
Do not.
Dunce.
Don't it.
Do
Don't some blood.
Don't.
Like a donut the man want to say no.
Oh, that we can start that right now. Believe.
Yeah man, but them boy never breed woman around and left them youth man. They can kill all themselves.
No joke.
All woman, he go from both sides too, you know, cause and their father man
Yeah, no man,
All them women they
Yeah.
are crosses, you know.
Believe them, man.
So now crosses, you know.
Some crosses girl out there to you, see, man.
So me,
some of them want dash your belly, some of them want this, some of them
I'm
want...
ask
This is
you.
some,
Where you are, sir?
I see some video, some girl dash some baby in some thing, brother. All na pit hole and them thing there.
All rubbish be not
Send them here to the father. If you never want to breathe, why you
Left
open
all
your
the
crutches
no
for
one.
me?
I mean, they left the hospital.
Left in my
And them here
I get
say,
me I did and run out.
Let them find a home for you,
Them
brother.
brother.
And dash for your picnic there. Alright, child.
and a church.
So-
Yeah, pass all a dumpster here, all a blood.
A baby all a bag.
Ball.
You know that
Buckler,
fuck up
brother.
your-
No, some girl have all heart to do them thing there,
and
no,
some
brother.
woman can't breathe, you know. Some woman just can't breathe and
Some of
want to
them
have a
have all the
picnic, brother.
friend them who can't breathe and instead of them going to give all the friend and baby them.
Them
Them
the-
dash.
yeah.
You see me?
Buckler.
Rough, man, rough.
Buckler, girl, them, brother.
So,
brother.
me have a question. Which gender when you think a father supposed to available in that child's life mostly?
The two gender them still, you know. The gender not specific or special than other gender. You see me?
Like, good for your daughter
but
or father.
by right still, most majority of the time, girl more attracted to them father more than boy. Boy more attracted to them mother. You see me? But most time you got both two years too. You see me? In
I
real
guess
life.
so when you are rough them, you know the mother not rough them. So they would have prefer the round the mother because they must say, oh daddy I did me too rough, but guess I know. I better we are try better, you know, that's how we have to deal with the rough. You know.
As me say,
Really?
you can't have Ryan go turn in a palm.
Remember.
That sounds so paradoxical and strange.
Believe. Yeah.
Cause it don't make no sense to have gender reveal. Cause if you have gender reveal, like you see one boy, 5 years later, girl, you look on.
That's not right.
You know, so me I kill it.
Believe.
Dunce.
How will you bring it here so we can take care of back? Oh, where am I go with that?
Yeah, and we also have a fire woman here catching the, you know?
Yeah, the fire lady. She's keeping us free, mosquito free, you know?
Yeah, cause we done.
You realize you're not see with the fan?
Basket
Like with their congregation at church.
We done get them there now. We done doing it. We can the dog say again.
We finished doing what blood?
Yeah, we finished doing what blood now, you know? Really?
Yeah, doing what no more blood in idea. They must try something dry. So they left on that with no stuff.
Oh, SK gonna have so long. Oh.
No.
Brain, you know, this ups.
Remember to say, as I go say Rick and catch back himself quick, you fuck. Cause, hey, no, cheap guy deliver there, you know, man. I tell you, man.
Really?
How him say?
Use them Rick.
And not even the one the bad to him have one next
She
one.
have her brain, she have her head pan, no, brain pan her head.
Have a head pan our brain, man.
Head pan her brain.
Dog, I try to say, survivalism.
Survivalism. I told me I said when me I laugh, man. So no, don't. Okay, I said the word people. We all feel like we can't say them big words.
Good man.
She have
Yes,
3
isn't it?
foot, you know.
Word
3
that
foot.
even big like that.
And you make them, you know, and breast
Yeah, the
them.
neck them, you know. Have kiss up the neck them at all time. Remember good. I make sure it's a girl who have a head pan her brain too, cause you know, and the senseless girl you know that.
One time.
No sense for around here.
I go pick out all it feather them, you know.
Yeah,
Featherless.
Featherless. Mr. Mac. He got my dog tenant, landlord.
A boy the loose ball. You know, maybe we could never hear people every time in the room down here with my brother-in-law and the human over there watch them things. So yeah. You know, them take people, yeah.
Dog say it never knew. I want him, dog.
Huh?
Dog say it never knew.
Never. The dog so never knew.
Run, take you,
God forbid.
No, work my dog.
Yeah, talk. We just there go, you know.
Normal, you know.
Go normal laughing at one time park, you know. We so upgrade Rocky Park and start keep like some event in our place so we can look out, you know, some cookout or some liquor rate, isn't it?
TalkYuhTalk event.
Yeah, man, some talk.
Yeah, we have a food challenge that come up to us, so we want to do.
Yeah, what
Yeah.
is it? Who want forward come take on 5 big bull and Pepsi?
Yeah, 5 big bull and a
Yeah, man.
Pepsi. You see me win 2 grand.
Yeah, man,
Yes,
we
me.
going up to, you know.
If you take on that, I'm going to 5.
Anybody complete that challenge, they will go with 5 grand. With that 2 grand.
Yeah man, that I main challenge. I'm saying I want to do one with all 15 flour too. You see
Yeah,
me?
man, 15 fry flour.
Fry flour.
Yeah, when the time we want to give them is either fried flour or boiled flour. You see me, some hot flour, some cold flour.
Boiled flour,
Cornmeal
cement
flour.
in my dog.
And blood flour, some thin flour.
Fryers, I forgot to do it now. Blood flour, boiled flour,
Give
them
them
dog.
some big bumbuckler coffee dumpling.
Can give them some cartoon fires, too, man.
Yeah, man, them big. When them call them the... Yeah, man, them big old blood flour. Yeah, mama, you look for one.
Yeah, we only think of for the food challenge, and just comment and make you know, you know. Or the idea they great. You see me? If the idea they great,
give
work
me some
with it.
idea. We can do a
Yes, man.
mukbang too, you know. Yeah, man, but...
Yeah, we can get those mukbang too.
Yeah, man.
Hey, girl, them.
Believe.
Girl, them love blood clot, crab and mango.
I wonder if I make the girl them do a crab challenge.
Crab.
Yeah. Let
Yeah,
them
my
do a
dog.
crab challenge for dog. 15 crab. 2 can shell out 15 crab. And them have to suck out everything out of their head too, you know. So yeah,
Everything.
yeah. So
Egg.
we line up the
Everybody.
mukbang,
Yeah, man.
it is.
A wickedness that.
No,
And then
it's
done.
not.
They
But them
supposed
love
to
crab,
walk
man.
like
Our
crab,
father
dog.
that good light for all them.
Like.
Believe me,
Know
man.
some man everything
Yeah.
that man in a belly, man.
2 grand. That's a 2 grand challenge. Cause remember, we do not pay for your crab them already though. We are pay for the man who are gonna catch it. And we are gonna pay for your crab differently, so we can't expect 5 grand out of our work there. So we are telling the ladies that 2 grand that we do not get 15 free crab. And leg and claw.
Tell me all
Yes,
you want,
eh,
we
eh.
want them boiled or curry. Yeah, man, make you know, man. Boiled crab or curry crab, you know.
Oh, yeah, get it. Come on, do all one sit there to pop a balloon challenge. I want to get in some
Yeah.
female.
Yeah.
You see me? I want to get in some
Really?
female. So, if you're not
Really?
interested and want to join,
Yeah, man.
and just link me. You see me? Link anyone I host them want to see. Stretch yourself. Nudge God.
Yeah, man.
NFD.
Kick LFD for the job, yeah.
Believe.
Wing or
You see me? So just link anyone I dog them if you don't want to join, cause serious thing we got to start drop some wicked content.
Yeah,
You
man.
see me?
Start talking
And
this
part
place,
2
you know.
so job for you bumbuckler, God forgive me.
Part few.
You know,
Part few.
Really?
Yeah,
Really.
no joke.
Part 2, yeah, man. Cause them both don't even have no number in the father. I not give them no right to have no number. Part 2, we have a come out. Yeah, man. At 1, 2, 3, me know if I go
Yeah,
grow.
believe the man.
You see me? Them both don't have no number.
None.
Believe.
Yeah.
You can't classify them boy they as fish again in there, dog. A batty boy them.
Yeah, batty boy them, man.
Cause brother man I buy fish and a blood clot. Place and fuck up them things. You can't talk about them boy they have to swim around them dog. Batty boy.
I swim my hard still I'm going to the place there.
Yeah, me dog. Can't say them boy they have fish now. You see me dog. Cause them boy they no dog. I dead them to death man. Batty them a fuck, so them a batty boy and batty man.
Oh shit guy.
Yeah, man. Shit fit them man.
Bye.
This a batty boy is rapid burst.
Your dog good in the leniency in this one.
Believe.
You can fight all no bumbo flower.
Who see them like them want to call God creating rainbow colors too, you know. But for them boy that they ever have no color neither, father. Believe me, now give them right there. But rainbow color for them color.
I don't know how them I go with that.
Remember when I born and rain fall, I say rainbow in the sky with rainbow color, you know. I want to forget the color they were God create. And they don't put God creation, you know.
Yeah, so why them a try way up the system?
And them are not God creation, you know. A batty them come out and
That I tell them say don't ramp with the God creation them. You see me?
them not come from where we come from.
Believe.
Batty them come out and my dog. Pick them crawl up out. Yeah man. That's why them there now with them you know.
Corruption.
Corrupt like
No,
the
where them come with that. Oh, that reach in your brain
I
cells.
ain't day me seen none of them pussy they feel like them can try that catfish thing though we that talk about. Yeah man, I make you try we are try. And just lower you in like a blood clot shark on a big hook. And just run a spear to your blood clot brain.
Believe. Done.
See that we not promote violence, but they see boy like them there. You have to protect your youth and your daughter them will work. Enough of them boy they are batty them a fuck and want come fuck your little daughter and shit up your daughter hole and them things and make your daughter get too much disease and corruption. Yeah man. Enough of no man enough to know how to do because enough of them boy they are batty them a fuck you know.
Believe.
Yeah man. Shit up on the mouth and shit up on the hole.
God forbid.
You know, God forbid. Whole of beer disease in that blood clot cavity and killing a pussy clot. No, you see the real killer them out there. You don't even know a killer from a germs.
Remember that.
You don't even know the real youth them from the fake one them too. If you can, no, I'm not found if you can read energy, so that's why I'm not found to get fucked.
You got the girl them say them a Jezebel, my dog. Can't break that from them. So the girl them a
Girl them say them a Gen Z, Jezebel.
Hear me I told you.
New version.
New version, update, my dog. You can't run it.
For them software one downgrade liquor. For them blood class software two.
Mash it one, mash up. You see me?
For them software for the crash and build back.
Right you know. You can't trust them girl and girl here. I do beer things more than man. So
them are all deep man.
No man, I tell no on the street, as if I don't know say you know a blood clot. Stripper and them bumbo clot, escort and them things. Boy, you know still know some man out there might find one love you know mind, you know, but I tell you straight. You know a demon when I see one. You can't hide in my eyes.
no time.
So, you come here and I try to find love. Love no blood clot there, they bury over there in the jungle. Then you look for it if you want to, dig it up. Oh. Go over there to find all the sinkhole.
What you say?
Yo, I love a bad girl them, my dog.
No.
I love him up bank them, my dog, man, I like.
Yeah.
It's a blood clot is there.
But you look for them and look for them now, I get it.
No, we don't know about that.
Some of them are
We
married,
don't know
them
about
look
that,
dog.
but-
That me I talk, man, one them I feel like them can get, come and so come, get wife up and them thing, you know. One them we are try look for second.
I try chica man.
Yeah. I know a nigga will get miss them way there, you know. Yeah, they with a girl and kill it, they a good girl and we check it out and backward we go see dog sit down. I wait for mama gonna sell pussy dog and I hurt him.
Shut your god.
So the blood clot this.
So them girl they dog pick up.
miss the dog miss a couple months after. Can't find when the dog do fine. Dog shoot cook and be a thing. Be a stab up the dog.
Like salt pussy do that in my dad.
Yeah man, you can pussy with
Mama better you go baptize. Believe.
No for them go baptize the water black when them lift up out of that dog. When them stand up in there start change colour.
Start frat up too.
Jaja.
Them soul can't see it.
Right, man.
And I see a thing you know for them gyal like them a think is a trend little clock now my dog. Them gyal like you know where them pick up this foreign style from white people style this. Why? They want to
That be explain my dad.
Talk your talk, man.
No for them gyal nowadays a batty thing them a batty for them thing that you know.
Them body fetish.
Yeah.
That me realize
Chalala.
enough of them gyal nowadays too. Yeah, me a sue no man, me a see enough of them. Me love it in a dog stick.
Yuck.
Blood trial, that's it, yeah?
Blame.
Go home. No.
Someone I watch you know. You need to stop watching when I watch it for something when I smoke. You need to stop blood class smoke when I.
No, why up like the body boy them, man? You get the same torture like how the body boy them
Then
get,
no
man.
for no one being a youth. I wanna lick up body and want kiss all the little picking and
Give me a
grounds out.
shit mode.
Grounds out all the little picking them.
God
God
forbid.
beat. Buckler. Dirty.
Cool off of them things there, yo.
Stop it.
Dirty style.
Alright, man. When you check it out, enough of them girl them in a church too, you know, not going like them a Christian and them not like man like we.
Them are the
smoke.
dirtiest it
True,
again.
have
I would say all
image.
these names,
Them
but
say
then
we
I
have
will be
image.
snitching.
Yeah, man. Go watch the image, mama. Only thing, pull up, man. One talk, you talk, I walk, you walk.
Fully.
You don't know what they are talking about the father them, you see me? The real one them and the bad one them. You understand?
donors.
That's what you say, sperm donor. You know it thing. Up there. You don't know what talk about the father them. See? Alright. What is it to be a real father? Trudy, what do you think it is to be a real father?
It takes a lot to be a real dad. To be a real dad, not really. Yeah, finances grow a child, but your presence is important as well. That's my opinion. Nobody not really come for me for that. You have to work out your finances, yeah, but be present in a child's life. Be present to say, hey, make we bond and them something there. It's not always about money. Pitting no business about money, you know.
No,
at the end of the
naturally.
day, you know, yeah, them have to eat. So the mother have to go figure that out.
You know your old slum boy!
Yeah, a child has to eat, but bonding is important. A child will grow up and say, you know, say, mommy and daddy never have it, but guess what? Daddy did dead still, you know. Yeah. Because sperm donor them when me have one when me experience, him can dead. Can keep a funeral. I don't care. Sperm donor.
You must be a Christian, eh?
No, so because I'm a
forbid.
Christian.
God
you can't say I'm a
forbid.
sperm donor.
No, me I said the murder part. You could have him for
The
dead.
Bible says suffer not a witch to live.
Dunce.
Better than the day a witch make me get to kill it. Yeah. But them can't always dead. Yeah. The man them need to do better. True. Don't be a sperm donor. And I hate the fact that you give this woman a child or you force her to be a mother before time, and you're going to make the comment and say, when a father can walk away, a mother can't unless she wicked. You're for dead. Me I tell you the truth, you're for dead. You're worse than a batty man. As my apostle would say, bottom fellow. Yeah. Yeah, but you're for dead. It don't make sense. You know, that's my take on it. Oh, big up my daddy, Mr. Brown. And all the real dads, the hey, you have some stepfather will play the part. I bet them did have the pitney. What you say?
You know
Yeah. Some stepdads are really good. Them not for call stepdad. And them for be the daddy. Yeah, right there, so. Big up yourself, baby.
Yeah. But a real father, as what you say, it no really depends on the finances, you understand? It depends on being in the child's life. You see me? Being a man and growing either a boy child or a girl. You see me? Into a good Jamaican citizen. You see me? Yeah, in a real life.
Ladies, you don't need to treat a man good.
Oh, yeah.
As a father.
No.
Treat them good. Treat them, please.
Hey, I'm glad this a woman talking. What you know?
Hey, you see the little crosses, girl, them? No, I'm glad you remind me. You see the little crosses, girl, them now? Little butter ears, them, because the man left for now and find a different girl and I look about the picnic. Let's get toxic. I don't like it.
All peel.
Rotten down peel, enough to stop it.
All bucket. All keg.
Enough to stop it, man. Only don't stop the man from look after the child because him left you and you feel hurt. Go take your feelings and go jump off, no man. And you make the man left you if you do that, do what you do. Or if you do, the man on a gone. The man have a woman now and the man look about him child, you're vexed because him have a next woman and you don't want your child around the next woman. The woman could have treat your pitney better than you.
So she don't want have the child around the next man.
But
she want have the pitney around the next man.
I don't want the pitney round.
And then most time the man where them have to a kaba worse than cobweb. them nah feed the girl. Them now feed the girl as the mother. Them now give the mother nothing. But yes, she eat up with man and I take the pit the money, snap money, and feed man. Them girl left a dead man.
Go on soil.
Move from ya.
Something alright.
You alright.
You have some of them women them can't do without a baby father either. Them can't do without them baby father either. Them and them baby father not there, you know. But them can't do without them baby father. Cause guess what? You see if them baby father not carry 10 gun or 15 gun or 30 gun come give them now have a dime cause them girl now want to get up and go walk.
One thing, you know, I'm glad me independent, you know. I'm a look for my pitney them, you know, cause no boy can tell me say. Well, him can tell me no. Him. The father, he's not the biological father, but me can say him can't tell me. But the sperm donor, say, Roger, up there, sir. Where have you been? Yeah, he might look for me 1 year and say, so how you buy Kickers game? Me say, what you mean?
Like the dog before you're not expensive.
So me that for sarcastically answer, my girl on a back road. Because no. If you see me at work, what you ask me? How he wear Kickers? That makes sense? No.
Yeah, him father sound like him now want little man wear nothing expensive, wear nothing good.
How me buy clothes?
Dog, I wonder which man buy him that. Believe, man.
Cost 25,000.
Believe me, man. I am pocket now, say so.
And him pocket, but in all of him pocket, they say so, him nah do.
He nah buy.
Him nah do.
Joke.
Me can't tell you say.
See this? You see this? I want the little chicken buy this.
Chicken.
I know me buy.
Chinese cook.
Your sperm donor buy.
Church, okay.
I believe you me. Why we should go through to make him buy the little drugs. It's not funny. You have to say, yo, is a man this or a man too? I must a man too. I can't a man. Man frame.
Yeah.
Frame of a man.
Yeah.
No man, you disrespect all frame too. Yo, I tell you, you disrespect all the frame. The picture frame them, you disrespect. I tell you. That's how far it got. In a real life.
It's rough.
Rough.
When a man go look on a mother and say,
but
so
me can tell you this.
Clothes.
You get a girl pregnant, just know say you have to be a man and take up your responsibility. In a real life. Don't chicken out yourself.
And do not, man them, please, don't force the people, them girl picking for being mother before time. It takes a psychological effect on the mother, especially if she don't have a support.
I can make you turn aggressive.
Yeah, like me. I mean, I have to try rub down now with sandpaper. Jesus.
Yo,
Girl, breathe.
some 80 grade me have to use on station. Rub. I mean, I tell you that.
rough.
As a wing say.
When you mean before time, what age are you talking about?
Alright, you see, she in a school. Well, I was in school when I get pregnant. And I tell him, say, no, I'm never ready. Him still give me the child. And him gone about in business.
So why you go sit down on it?
I never sit down on it. He gave it to me without my consent.
Oh.
I was forced.
So you can't cry rape?
It done gone. Me can't go court now. So I'm fi do.
Me not talk about no, me talk about then.
No, me did fool. Me did fool. Yes, so I no fool too. I no have sense before I start it, man. I beg oh. I beg. Cause me did fool. I beg.
So you have sense now?
Yeah, me have sense now. No, me have to have sense.
You have head for your brain.
Yeah. The great wing, you know? Head for my brain.
Really?
Yeah.
I really like man. Can't say you can't breed a woman brother. I know say you breed her. I'm not gonna say you're not gonna really know. Thank God for Andrew. You know, mandatory DNA test. They don't say when you breed a girl, I forgot to take a DNA test. See it?
Sperm donor, do you want a DNA? I've been asking you for years and you keep telling me no. Do you want one? I'm willing to know. Roger.
Think your father need a DNA test?
What?
You're so really a drama.
Roger, drama, really.
What? What is your name?
Roger.
My name just start with a F.
Roger. Roger.
Where have you been?
Does it never come in fifth?
Alright, you know, big up TalkYuhTalk podcast right time.
You know what code go? TalkYuhTalk or walk you? Walk.
Big up TalkYuhTalk all the time, you know?
Fully. Roger, what you have to say?
Bye-bye, see you next time.